trash hole?
No. No reason. I want to take a little bit down here before we go. Maybe the second round will be coming up. Something smells good. Your whole lot. That's your favorite place? What?
There was some ladies down here.
They're around.
Thing up there?
Yeah, that's part of Chimney Rock. That's a trail you can take up through there. And you actually caught some brim yesterday, huh?
Caught some nice.
Man, that feels good this morning, don't it? There's a structure up on top of that one too, you see it?
Not yet, I don't.
Right there. Look for something horizontal on them rocks. See it now?
No, I don't. I'll take your word for it.
The only problem I have with this place is that they didn't cut the music off soon enough for me.
Well, there was people swimming in this water above the spot last night.
Look at the trash. Look at there's a trash can right there. And right there, and they still leave trash. That's what burns my ass up. These people inbred or something? Why do they do that? Hey, I found you something. Water yesterday. It might not look rough, but that's swift. You're going across in the middle of the sea. We're about to start heading back. Police called last night. I didn't get it till this morning. My alarm on my house went off. Nothing happened though. Whew. Rock. You know what these are? Hydrangea. You can take some Epsom salt, mix it with water, pour it down, let it absorb it, and they'll take it up and they'll change color. Won't hurt them, it'll change color. There's that peach tree she was talking about.
You might ought to get a peach.
Get us a couple of pieces there, home. That's a peach bush. See right there?
Well, I think it was a tree before it laid down.
Yeah.